Well, I went to start the bike yesterday and busted the rope in the recoil starter. So I decided, I didn't have my camera with me, so I decided to redo the repair of the rope, replacement of the rope. First thing you do is take the recoil starter off. There's only 3 bolts hold it on, so that's a pretty easy job. Then you got to take the rope out of the inside, just uncoil that, pull it out. You got to get some new rope. I used my spare one to replace it. And I stopped by Napa and picked up enough rope to make 2 more lengths of it. Cut them to about 50 inches, 49 is close enough. Then the first thing you got to do is burn this end a bit, melt it, so it ain't going to unravel anymore. I like these little blowtorch-like lighters, windproof everything. You don't want to set this on fire, you just want to melt it. Once you got her melted, use your knife blade to flatten it out a little bit, because it's got to go through a kind of a small hole. Next thing you do is you got to wind up the spring inside here. This is the part where the pawls for the come out to engage the bell on your crank. You give this about 4 turns or so, counterclockwise. Make sure it doesn't snap back on you. Hello. Hello. Once you got her wound, you want to line up the hole here with the hole on the inside. And you got to drop something in between to hold it in place. A screwdriver or something works just fine. Then you take your new starter rope, feed it through the inside hole, and out the outside hole. And you tie a knot in the end on the inside. Pull that tight. Pull it around out so it's up against the inside there. Then slip your handle on the end. Tie another knot. I'll leave this one a little loose to start because I might have to do a little adjusting. Then carefully take your screwdriver or whatever out and let this unwind. Don't let it just snap back in. Walk it down by hand. Let it roll in there. And if you did it right, the handle snaps right up against the starter housing. And all you got to do is put it back on. And that's the basics of it, and that's just exactly how long it takes.